In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this little icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can tap on your photos that you wish to add, or select Gallery section, click on them over here, or click on Folders after Gallery section and select them from here. As you can see, after that, all of my chosen photos were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!